Crime against the people of America need to be reduced. The Crime Prevention Coalition has named this year's theme Suffer Community Brothers Futures. They believe that what really drives crime from our streets is everyone helping each other. By helping each other, crime has been reduced in those areas where entire neighborhoods are involved. Building trust among neighbors has helped keep the crime figures low in those communities. The facts concerning crime in America have changed. Violent crime has gone down since last year. Property crime has also decreased. The number of young people getting arrested for violent crimes has gone up. More young people have been victims of violent crimes too. Children in America have also suffered. More parents have been charged with abusing their children. A number of young girls have reported to have been beaten by boyfriends. Although many different crimes have been stopped, many more are still happening. People who live in communities with crime can make a difference. They can get involved with reducing the crime in their neighborhood. By working together, neighbors can make a safe neighborhood.